Welcome to Claude Code Configuration. Episode 1, The Foundation. Every Claude Code session starts by reading config files from disk. Knowing where they live transforms you from a user into an architect of your AI workflow. Today we map the global layer. The most important global file is settings.json. On Mac and Linux it lives at ~claude/settings.json. On Windows, it sits inside your user profile .claude. Settings.json. This file controls themes, model choice, plugins, environment variables, and permissions across every project on your machine. Right next to it, Claude.md, your global instruction file. Anything written here becomes context Claude reads at the start of every session, every project. Use it for personal preferences, code style rules, and tooling shortcuts, things that follow you everywhere. Now the project's directory, ~.claude/projects. Each Git repository gets its own folder inside. This is where Claude stores auto memory, notes it writes itself based on your corrections. The memory.md file inside is loaded into every session, first 200 lines. The skills folder, ~.claude/skills. Each skill is a markdown file with YAML front matter plus optional helper scripts. They load on demand when Claude detects relevance to your prompt, reusable workflows that travel across all your projects. The agents folder, same level. Each markdown file becomes a subagent, a specialized AI with its own system prompt, tools, and context window. The statsig folder holds feature flags. The plugins folder holds installed plugin manifests. The commands folder still works for /commands. And one file up, ~.claude.json. OAuth tokens, MCP defaults, trust settings, and global state. That is the global layer. Personal scope, machine-wide, the foundation everything else builds on. Next episode, project configuration.